You should use a bonding agent with cold lay tarmac when you want the repair to last as long as possible. Cold lay tarmac bonds to existing surfaces through a combination of mechanical interlock and chemical adhesion, and adding a bonding agent increases the chemical adhesion and reduces the risk of water ingress that leads to edge failure. For small surface patches that are less than about 4 inches across and not in heavy traffic areas, plain cold lay tarmac applied with a well-prepared, clean, dry base can perform acceptably, but for any larger hole or any area that sees frequent vehicle or foot traffic, we recommend using a bitumen emulsion or a proprietary bonding agent. Apply the bonding agent by brushing or spraying a thin, even coat onto a clean, oil-free, and dry substrate. Allow tack time as specified by the product instructions, which is normally a few minutes until tacky. Then compact the cold lay tarmac in layers with a hand tamper or plate compactor for best interlock. For vertical edges or deep repairs, key the profile by undercutting the perimeter slightly so the new material cannot shear out, and always feather the patch so water does not pond at the joint. Store bonding agents and cold tarmac at moderate temperatures, and mix or stir any separated emulsion before use. Cold stored products can become stiff and will not spread or penetrate properly. If you are unsure which proprietary agent to use, choose a product labeled for asphalt patching and follow the manufacturer coverage rates and safety guidance. Common mistakes start with poor surface preparation, where dirt, loose material, or oil prevents adhesion, and the fix is to sweep, blow out debris, and degrease oily spots before applying any bonding agent or tarmac. Another common issue is inadequate compaction, which leads to settling and water ingress. Compact in thin lifts and use a heavy tamper or mechanical compactor for deeper repairs to achieve density. A third frequent concern is skipping a bonding agent on high traffic or deep patches, which increases the chance of early failure. Use a bitumen emulsion or proprietary agent and allow proper tack time, especially when joints are exposed to wheel scrubbing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare services related to paving and patch repairs so we can find someone with the right experience for larger jobs. We also help contractors connect with homeowners and share experience in our discussion community where we and others exchange tips and recommendations.